You ready to make love to food? Hello, this is Antimo Cimino, and today I'm going to show you how to make grilled eggplants bruschetta straight from my book, Food You'll Make Love To. So we start with the ingredients. We have fresh mint, garlic which I minced already, and then some rock salt in a pan that we're going to slice the eggplants into thin slices, some kind of a medium thickness, and then lay them into the rock salt. I go long ways down, all the way straight into slices. Okay, here you go. And once you have that whole thing sliced, you start laying them into a pan with some rock salt so that it loses some of the moist into the slice. And you leave it there for like about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Put some rock salt on the top and keep on layering them. The next step is to actually drizzle each slice of the eggplants with the olive oil to get them ready to grill. Okay, so you do them all and then pass them onto a grill or a panini maker or straight into the oven using your grill. This is a wonderful dish that can be served on the side as grilled eggplants, or as you can see, chopped a little bit and served on a bruschetta. As you grill your eggplants, you're now ready to assemble them. So drizzle some olive oil into the pan. Take the eggplants slice by slice and place them at the bottom of the pan, like so. Okay? Drizzle some olive oil. As you put them in, some garlic. Okay? And tear away and off some pieces of fresh mint and put them all over your eggplants, like so. And then some fresh salt. And of course, some balsamic vinegar, lightly drizzled. Okay? And you continue to layer them until you're done with all of them. And here we are, ready to assemble the bruschetta. I've charcoaled some of the bread. I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil on the top. You can also broil this. The bread can be ciabatta, can be pugliese bread. Then I go to my eggplants that have been marinated for about an hour. I chop one of the corner or the entire thing if you know you're gonna use it all. And then take some and place it onto my bruschetta like so. Yeah, nice and abundant as you wish. So when you're done assembling your bruschetta, it is fun to add a little flour, a touch of color before you bring it to your guest. And voila, you have grilled bruschetta with eggplants.